Gold and silver has hardly shown any movement throughout the day. It appears with the world, the traders are waiting for the NFP data as well, which will definitely bring the movement today. So far for the day, we have seen both on the upside and downside. Gold and silver is staying rigid, neither willing to drop nor willing to rise. What to expect, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit with the NFP, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have known the reasons for the buying and selling entries. As we have mentioned, 25, 22, see it has respected it so far. So what to expect today? Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. And yes, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Gold on the hourly charts, moving averages have crossed over and are trading bullish. You can see every time it is just taking the support from the 20 period and trying to rise. Also, slightly higher highs and higher lows are seen. We have to wait for it to break beyond 25, 22 and then 25, 26 levels, two levels, and then 25, 30, 32. Three levels we have which are going to play a major role today in deciding the further movement in gold. Yes, these are definitely going to remain the key resistance levels on the upside. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking upwards. The MACD on the hourly charts has crossed over. It is trading with modest bearishness here, and the slope here is a bit gradual. It can reverse, it can rise again, but right now it is trading on the sell side. RSI looking upwards. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise higher lows, higher highs are seen. Moving averages crossed over here, trading with divergence and bullishness looking upwards. If you look at the 2 hour chart, see there was a major swing, then a lower lows. Since then, we have seen it respecting the 25-20 levels, which is proving out to be a good resistance. And thus, if you see gold is staying above 25-22, you can initiate a buying entry, but then wait for 25-26 and 25-30-32 zone to be taken. Right now, I can say it is not supportive either of the bulls or the bears as of now. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped a bit. MACD, if you see, it has seen a good rise. It is trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is not that it cannot achieve further highs, but right now it is trying to converge and crossover for a selling entry. RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise on the 3 hour chart. See, another way to look at it is, see, first of all, bigger, stronger bullish candles, then a retracement, then moderately bullish candles, a slightly bearish candle, another big bullish candle, a pullback candle, and then see, look at these two candles here. These two diminishing bullishness, it suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bullish. That is what is seen here from these two candles. And thus now once you see prices staying below 25-14 levels, you can initiate a selling entry, but then 25-10, 25-08, 25-0405, 2500, 2498, and then 2494.95. Once these levels are taken below 2490, you can say now gold is reversed and we can see a greater fall here. Right now, I can say it is still not supportive of the bears as well. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is trading with moderate bullishness looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. On the 4 hour charts, look at these two candles. One having the support on the downside, second having a push from the top side, and then a indecision candle has appeared. Right now we can see it is starting with lower highs. Possibly it could try to move a little down, and once it stays below 25-14, 25-10 zone, where you can say more bearishness will prevail, specifically let it slide below 2504. That will confirm the further drop towards 2494, and then we can see a major turnaround. Right now I can say that uh, it is equally, you can say the biases are both balanced, neither bullish nor bearish. Thus we have to just wait for it to break the support or the resistances. On the upside, we know that there are greater resistances here, 25, 30, 32. See how strong these were the resistance. Also look at the formation. After hitting the wall, it has retraced sharp. Now it is trying to recover. It has retraced here towards the lower highs. It has hit 25-24. Largely seeing this is trading in this bearish channel. The bottom of the channel is far below towards 2470, 2450 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Yes, we trade diverse instruments from across the globe, indices and commodities both together. in this one signals channel. So do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me via Telegram or email in order to join. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers a swap-free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges, you can also find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Very, very important to have a broker which is trustworthy, safe, secure, with global presence. Thus, do not miss this. And now look at the daily charts. See, first of all, a rise here, flat top, retracement. Now, see, here also, if you look at prices have taken the support from the 20 period, and look at these two tails here, stronger, bigger tails, and the closing of the candles above the 20 period suggests that prices are still having a support here. Second thing is right now I can see it delivering lower highs and lower lows, trading in this moderately bullish channel here, bearish channel here rather, and thus it is very, very important for it to break beyond 25-30 zone, 25-32 zone on the upside in order to confirm a breakout. Right now the complete movement is confined within this zone, and thus any drop below 25-14 you can initiate a selling entry. But then look at this, you have to be cautious still towards 24.94 levels here. The 20 period moving average, it has to breach in order to turn bearish. Also, there could be swings. First support should be at around 25.0405 and then towards 24.9495. These support levels are going to remain greater support here. Stochastic rising. MACD here on the daily charts have crossed over for the sell. It is trading with moderate bearishness. RSI rising. Considering this, very simple, I will recommend a buy now at 25.20, above which you can expect it to move towards 25.30.32 first target. And once it breaks beyond 25.30.32, you can say that now the bulls are back in action. In fact, just keep a notch higher, 25.33 also you should include, because see, it will try to break the resistance one and then reverse. This one possibility you should not ignore. So once it breaks beyond 25.30.32 zone, just wait for a while, and then you can look forward to 25.40 and 25.50 levels as the next targets. But largely my biases are not supportive of such a great rise, but on the downside also the supports are very, very strong. So if you see it is staying below 25.14, take a selling entry. 25.10, 25.08 first, 25.0405 second, 2500, 24.98 third, 24.94.95 fourth. Once it breaks below 24.94.95, you can say that the bears are back in action, and then I will be looking forward to a greater move on the downside towards 24.90, 24.80, 24.70, and then in fact 24.50 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver on the hourly charts. See the movement completely muted here, and if you look at the movement here, see first a stronger rise was seen. It has shown a good drop, and now right now it is confining its movement within a zone. Also higher lows, higher highs are seen, trying to trade in moderately bullish channel. If you see trading below 28.70, take a selling entry. 28.70-60 zone should be very, very good support here. Any drop below 28.70 or 60 is a sign that it is going to erase all the gains from yesterday at least, and we can look a move towards 28.40 and then 28.20. Any drop below 28.20 is a sign of a greater correction in silver, where we can look forward to 28, 27.80, and below 27.80, which is the double bottom levels, is where you can look forward to 27.50 and lower levels. Right now it is very much trading bullish, looking upwards. Moving averages have also crossed over. Just wait for 28.70 levels to be taken in order to take a selling entry. Stochastic rising. MACD on the hourly charts have crossed over, trading bearish here, looking downwards. RSI staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts here, see moving averages crossing over here. This is a bullish cross after this bearish drop, after this sharper correction, after the rise. It is just trading in the zone. Let it stay below 28.70-60 zone, and that will confirm the bearish move or reversal here. Specifically below 28.60 is where more bearishness to prevail here. So a safer entry should be below 28.60, but I will recommend a selling entry at 28.70 itself. Stochastic looking down. MACD is trying to converge, crossover for the sells. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, the observation is similar. Diminishing bullishness is what you can see. Thus this could cause a reversal, but wait for it to take a direction. Above 29.20 is where the bulls are waiting. As long as 29.20 is not taken, you have to be careful. Below that also, beyond that also, till 29, see this zone from where the earlier drop started, 29.60, at least till this zone we should be careful with the buys here. Stochastic rising. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI staying flat, not much of the signs. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, look at these candles here. See higher lows. Price is not willing to stay bearish. At the same time, on the upside, the movement is very much restricted. Thus, once it stays below 28.70 and 60, you can just stay short. We can look forward to 28.40, 28.20 levels at the next targets. Right now, I can say it is neither supportive of the bulls nor the bear. See the drop retracement. The drop, the retracement. Bigger the drop, bigger the retracement. Largely, if you look at it, is staying in this slightly bearish channel. Let it come out of this channel. Any move beyond 29.20 is a good sign for the bullishness here. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is rising, RSI is flat. Coming to day, look at daily charts. What has happened here? Moving averages are almost staying flat, though we can see a 20-50 period crossover here. Prices are definitely getting resistance here. A very strong resistance is seen at $29 levels. You can initiate a buying entry at 29, expect 29.20, 29.40 zone as the first resistance, 29.50, 60 as the second. Till then, you should not be treating this as bullish. Also, if you look at, see, after staying bearish, we have seen a good rise and a good stronger reversal here. But we can also see that largely it is staying in this bullish channel, and after the drop, this is trading in the retracement channel. It has to drop below 27.80, 27.50 in order to turn bearish. Right now, I can see higher lows, higher highs. So we have to be cautious here. Let it break below 28.20, then only we should treat this as bearish for the day. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, trying to converge, RSI is rising as well. Considering this, very simple, buy 29, expect 29, 29.20 as the greater resistance here, and then 29.40, 29.60 zone, the strongest resistance. Remember, these are markets, it can show you swings, it can rise and it can erase all the gains as well at the same time. Till 29.60, stay alert, stay cautious, stay watchful, do not treat this as bullish. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 28.70. Expect it to get the first support at around 28.50, 40 zone, first target zone. 28.20, the second. Below 28.20, it is not going to come back. We are looking forward to a greater correction towards 28 and 27.80 levels. Below the 27.50 is the next target. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship badge and signals channel. Do not miss to watch the weekly review, which are going to be updated tomorrow. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.